For more than 2 decades, Jody Tagaris has stood with the people who work, volunteer, and strengthen their communities every day, shaping the movement she helped establish back in 1998. Today, she steps forward once again with a renewed commitment to transparency, integrity, and responsible leadership, ready to confront the challenges that others have avoided for far too long. Her focus is on uniting members, supporting stronger state chapters, and ensuring open, accountable decision-making that honors the values the organization was built on. Jody believes in empowering local voices, inspiring principled involvement, and guiding the FRA toward a future rooted in trust, clarity, and true collaboration. As she is going to raise 1,000 Charlie Kirks in Florida, patriotic, fearless conservative leaders, through the FRA Candidate Leadership Workshop. With decades of experience, unwavering dedication, and a lifetime of service behind her, she brings not only stability but the bold vision needed for what comes next. Because the future will belong to those willing to lead it with courage. And Jody is ready to step into that moment.